Just want to bring up something really quick. One of the things that we can do for the homeowners after a storm is we can tarp the roof. Hi, this is Matt with XLR8 Roofing here in Ocoee, Florida. And when we tarp a roof, one of the things that we can do, because it's called an emergency tarping service, is bill the insurance company directly, which is what we're doing for this homeowner. In the process of trying to get this claim approved, is we're going to bill the homeowner's insurance directly for the emergency tarping it needs. Actually going to meet the adjuster out here because it's already been tarped, by us. We're going to have to remove it and then put it back on. But as I said, more than happy to do it for the homeowners we're working with in the insurance process, because one of the things you are responsible for is to mitigate any future damage. Not to mention, you'd want to do that anyways, and we're here for you. Again, my name is Matt with XLR8 Roofing.